I cannot really go home and not pay tribute to one of the greatest kontrabida of us all. And to me, she tops them all. Pinakamahusay na kontrabida, none other than Miss Sherry Hill. Michael Di Mesa, the brother Michael. Please come over, Michael. Say something. My greatest friend. And para sa akin mo, estudyante na kami siya din. Napakahusay niya magbida, kontrabida, at napakahusay na tao. Magaling, mahusay makisama, at honest to the core. Ladies and gentlemen, the brother of Sherry here, Mr. Michael Di Mesa.
Thank you, Rita. Thank you so much. If Sherry was here, she would definitely be part of this movie, for sure. But she has a special participation.
Yeah.
Yeah, so even if it's just a frame, a picture frame. Direct Chris wouldn't have done this movie without Sherry's kahit picture man lang. So, part siya ng Hall of Fame sa Kontrabida Academy. And thank you for that, Direct, to be Sherry's brother.
Tayo mag-iyakan ng Sherry Hill. Let's enjoy the evening. Come on!